everyone, in this video we are going to describe a place you visited on vacation. This one is very important cue card point of view, December and January. And if you haven't watched my previous videos on which I uploaded many cue cards which is related to December speaking test, IELTS speaking test, it's very helpful point of view IELTS speaking, because it's a very believable material. It's Makkad IELTS material which is very helpful and believable content. So let's move on. You should say where it is, when you went there, what you did there, and explain why you went there. So about 2 months ago, my family and I went on a 4-day vacation to Jaipur. Jaipur is a capital of Indian state of Rajasthan. It is about 700 kilometers from my hometown. Normally, for such long distance, we prefer going by air. However, this time we decided to go by car because of COVID situation. We mainly went there to attend the wedding of my cousin, but we decided to stay 2 extra days and visit the tourist attractions. The wedding ceremony was for 2 days, and for the first 2 days we never left the marriage resort. We all had a great time. Because of Corona, my cousin's parents couldn't invite a lot of people, but because it was an intimate affair, we were all involved in the festivals. Jaipur has a huge culture significance. Sorry for background noise. It was the capital of one of the Rajput dynasties, so it has many tourist attractions like Amber Fort, Hawa Place, City Place, Jantar Mantar, and so on. We went to all the above places except Amber Fort because that would have taken one whole day and we didn't have that much time. On the 4th day, we did shopping from the traditional shops of Jaipur. Actually, my cousin's friend had offered to take us shopping during the wedding. Being a local, he knew the best stores with reasonable rates. Because of him, we were able to buy unique Rajasthani jewelry and clothes. We also got some home decoration pieces. It was really wonderful experience. I wish we had more days to spend there, but my parents had work commitments. If I get the chance, I would love to visit Jaipur again. So the cue card is completed, but try to use your idea. It's just a sample answer of this cue card, how to present your cue card. So try to make your ideas, try to make your friendly language, so that you whenever you present your cue card in front of the examiner, you will behave like a friendly language. So examiner will catch, yes, you have knowledge about the words, what you say, what you speak. So follow-ups is, what are some popular attractions that people like to visit in your country? India is a huge country and it has long cultural history. As such, there are a lot tourist attractions that people like to visit. These include shrines, forts, parks, restaurants, and museums. Every place has its own popular attractions. In Punjab, the popular ones are Golden Temple, Science City, Kapurthala, Rose Garden, Sukhana Lake, and so on. Do old people and young people like to go different places for vacation? Both yes and no. There are places that both young and old people like to go to, but then there are also places which are preferred by the young or old. For example, old people prefer to go in religious places. Young people loves to go to beaches and places with adventure sports, but old people are less keen on going to such places because it requires a lot of physical exertions and which their bodies might not be able to handle. What do old people and young people think about when making travel plans? I think old people care more about comfort. Their main purpose is to relax, while young people think about recreational activities like adventure sports. That is why there is a significantly high proportion of old people on cruises. How do people get to know about new places? I think the internet is a vast hub of knowledge about places. There is information about each and every place on the internet. Then people can also come to know about new places from their friends and family. I have also learned about new places from movies and TV series. So the follow-ups are also complete. Then please share with your friends who have exam in December and January, so that it helpful for them also. So in the next video we are going to talking about describe a good service you received, and also we try to complete intro question which are really helpful with very simple language. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share my channel more and more so that we complete our target subscribers very soon. Thank you for watching.